Greetings, I'm Spooky Jenkins, and you're watching Future Ghost Hunters. Today I'm hunting the ghost of the mascot of the cereal known as Captain Cakers. I'll be assisted by two leading Cakers experts from the past.
Captain Cakers rules!
Alright, ghosts, let's go.
Speaking of other annoying things my producer forced on me, let's bring out my partner, the future's favorite dino physician and TV phenomenon, Dr. D.
Dr. D's on the show. I love that guy.
Dr. D is sick! I bet he'll crash through the wall looking all scary, but actually, like, he's a super nice dude. Wait, what's wrong with Dr. D? Are you scared, buddy? It's only lightning.
Yeah, that's just the sky's way of being totally metal.
Hey, you cured my brain freeze, so let me cure your bravery freeze. Come on!
Wait, you hear that?
Don't worry, Doc. When wood gets old, it warps and creaks. Think of it as a building beatbox.
Oh, really? Well, if that's not a ghost, then explain this. Ectoplasm.
Nah, it's milk.
Skim milk.
You see, Doc, everything has a scientific explanation.
Alright, kid. Want to give us the science rundown on that one real quick?
Maybe, dropped from an open window, carried him away.
Yesterday I got to dreaming about a recipe for my love. Took all the things I was feeling, things around us just not enough of. I tried and tried to find out the secret for my recipe.
Now let's see who's behind all this. Open.
It's Jenkins! Spooky Jenkins!
Called it.
Ratings were in the tank, and this dumb dino doc was forced on me. I thought if I could scare him away, everything would go back to normal.
Well, he's not scared anymore.
But he does look pretty hungry.
Ever tried Captain Cakers?